In this video, I'm going to explain how much YouTube TV costs per month and what's included in the subscription. As of now, the base plan for YouTube TV is priced at $72.99 per month, making it a competitive option for live TV streaming. For this price, you get access to over 100 live TV channels, including major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, ESPN, CNN, and more. The exact channel lineup varies depending on your location, but it also includes local broadcast stations and regional sports networks, RSNs. The base plan comes with key features like unlimited cloud DVR storage, which saves recordings for up to 9 months, and support for up to 3 simultaneous streams. You can also create up to 6 user profiles, each with personalized recommendations and DVR libraries. If you want premium add-ons like Showtime, Stars, or Sports Plus, those come at an additional cost. For example, the Sports Plus package adds $16 per month, while the unlimited screens upgrade costs $25 per month. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how much YouTube TV costs per month, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.